Hello cookies. Welcome back. It's been very long I didn't post. You must have missed me. So I'm back. Many of you asked me for quality tutorial. So here I am with quality enhancing tutorial. Let's get start. Get your clips ready. Then go to adjust and go to graphs. Now bring the bottom point to the top and bring the top point to bottom. That would change the diagonal direction of the line. Repeat for each color. Now save the clip. Delete the adjustment. Now go to overlay and add the clip we just saved. Go to basic and set the scale to 100. Now go to Splice and select Burn. Set its opacity to about 30. Now click on Add Overlay, then go to Library and select White Overlay. Go to Splice and select Overlay. Make its opacity about 50 to 55. Make its length equal to clip. Now go to Adjust. Set brightness -4. Contrast 4. Saturation 5. Brilliance -5. Sharpen about 65. Shadow -3. And here we go, you can save your video freely and enjoy it.